What up? It's your boy Twitch. Ended up picking up a Tundra last week. First week, take it straight to my boys over here at Off-Road Warehouse. And definitely stoked on how this thing came out. Hit up my buddies over here at Icon, Canati Tires, and KMC Wheels. And the first thing I did was bring it over here because you know I can't leave anything stock. So, thing came out pretty good. Went 3 inches in the front, left the stock rear. Pretty stoked on the stance. Now I'm ready to go put some miles on this thing.